we're bringing for the very first time MeTV to India. The MeTV 4 comes with an iconic design, and it's all about the 4.9mm thin. In fact, this is so thin, this is the first thing you'll notice when you look at it. And I'm really proud to say that this is world's thinnest LED TV. So the MeTV 4 comes with a massive 55-inch display, and the bigger the display, I think the better the experience, right? And if you compare it with the 32-inch, it's almost 3 times the size.
या स्मार्ट टीवी की ना क्लैरिटी थोड़ी अच्छी होनी चाहिए.
Not just that, MeTV 4 also comes with 4K Ultra HD resolution.
देखो टीवी में स्टोरेज तो होना ही चाहिए और रैम ज़्यादा होगा तो प्रोसेसिंग फास्ट होगी.
It's not just another TV. It's of course a smart TV. So let's take a look at some of the specs. MeTV 4 comes with Amlogic's 64-bit quad-core chipset, coupled with 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. Trust me guys, when you start using this TV, you'll realize how fast this TV is. Not just that, for a complete cinematic experience, you need great audio. MeTV 4 comes with Dolby Audio with DTS HD codec to give that complete cinematic experience.
पहले तो स्मार्ट टीवी लो, फिर उसके ऊपर कंटेंट के लिए अलग से सब्सक्रिप्शन लो. इट्स हेल ऑफ अ बजट यार.
It's content. You guys want to watch your favorite TV shows or that favorite movie, right? And we are really proud to have partnered with India's top content providers. I think we can crown the MeTV as the king of content. Don't you guys agree? Also, almost 80% of this content will be absolutely free to watch.
स्मार्ट टीवी की सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत है रिमोट. टीवी के लिए अलग, सेटअप बॉक्स के लिए अलग.
So there is only one interface, only one remote. Now our goal is to make sure that Mi Remote is the only remote that you will ever reach out to.
See, switching between the channels should be easy.
Some of you guys must know this. The back button on your setup box usually toggles between 2 channels, right? But with our back button, you can toggle across all the channels that you've watched.
I had a smart TV. उसमें रिमोट को लेके इधर-उधर ऊपर नीचे करना पड़ता था चैनल्स खोजने के लिए.
Now this is our Mi Remote, and I'm especially proud about this design. This is a unique 11-button design which makes it super easy. It also has Bluetooth, so you don't have to point to your TV to control it.
स्मार्ट टीवी तो बजट से बाहर होता है क्योंकि उसकी प्राइस जो है 1.5 लाख 2 लाख रुपए से कम नहीं होती किसी की.
Mr. Wang Chuan, the co-founder of Xiaomi and head of MeTV. Mr. Wang Chuan.
Namaste.
Okay, let's talk about price. I hope there's still some surprise. How about
No, too expensive.
how about we halve this price? Is that okay?
Is this good enough? No, this is not good enough.
The MeTV 4 is launching in India at
Oh, are you okay? I'm okay.
But the TV also needs to be stylish.